So today we are going to be making a Linux auto install script. So basically, you can log into any Linux system and just type in sudo do this. You download it from GitHub using git clone, and then you run the script. So yeah, let's do it. So welcome to this video. So I'm a big Linux fan. I built a PC using Linux. Insert video here. And yeah, that thing's been working amazing. There will be more videos on it next year. Anyway, so first thing we're going to want to do is open a new text document. So on any Linux system, you can just go into the terminal and type in nano, whatever you want to call it. So let's just call it, I don't know, what should we call it? Autoscript.sh. So once we've got that file open, we can put in the commands that we want it to execute. So first we're going to make it update. So on Manjaro it's sudo pmac update. On Debian based systems it's sudo apt update. And then we're going to want to put in the things that we'd like to install. So if we do sudo pmac or apt install, so we might want OBS Studio, VLC, Firefox, Chromium, things like that. So after we've done that, we're going to want to Control-X, save it. Yeah. Now we want to, if you want to run it, we'll do sh filename.sh. But if we want to upload it to GitHub, we'll go in and we'll upload it. And then once it's been uploaded, you'll want to clone the thing. So you type in git clone You might need to install git first. So you can do that by doing sudo pmac install git. If you have sudo permissions, or it'll be apt on Debian based systems. So now once you've done that, you can run the auto install script. Providing you have sudo permissions. So yeah, that's basically how to create an auto install script on Linux. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, hit the like button, all of that. Remember to comment down below so that, yeah. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, follow us on Twitch, and subscribe. And this is the last video of the year, so yeah. We will have a rewind and 2 more tech wrap-ups, but yeah. We will return on the 9th of January. Yeah. See you then. Bye.